Okay, so I'm back. This is episode 2. Now that I'm upstairs, time to set my clock. Okay, I'll start my clock. Let's see, just a little farther. Okay, there. 1:12 p.m. Yes, it is the correct time. I like my room. Everything's put away neatly. They sure are. Let's see, is everything all there? You mean in my head? Because if you're talking about that, then no. I flipped open the notebook, huh? It's the kind of thing I do. That's it? At least I know there's a potion or something in my PC. Okay. Turn this off. Okay. Okay, Professor Birch. Okay, I will. What does this guy have to say? Since this is so blurry, I'll just tell you what he's. If you use a PC, you can store items from Pokemon. The power of science is staggering. So is the power of stupidity, but you never see anyone say that in the old song. No one's here. But what's on the computer? It's PC. No fair, I want to mess around with it. And if I want to, then I can. Those are the rules. Bye. So, there. Let's in here. I am Ben. Great. The doctor, huh? There she is. There's May. Gotta catch you later, gotta catch you later, baby. Oh, well, I better not mess with any of her stuff. I'm leaving. Next place, back home. Okay, there's Mommy. Okay. Usually it takes longer than that, but now I guess I can finally leave Little Root. So that's what the point of my next video, leaving Little Root. So I'll see you next time on the Pokemon Sapphire walkthrough.